Love you, honey.
You look like ampalaya. You're very green. Ouch! I hate you coming. I hate you coming. Good morning, everyone. Today is what today, huh? Monday?
Yes.
July 12. So, this morning we will cook ampalaya, but before that, we will wash our face first. Maraming muta. Baby, you have a lot of muta.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Alright. Where's the towel here, my dear brother?
Right there.
Oh, you show them my pants. What do you wanna eat for morning, la? Buwad?
Egg.
You don't need any more toys.
I'm cooking the palia, the bitter taste and tocino for this morning. And you have no choice but to eat what's in the table.
The other day.
Okay? Are
Okay.
you okay?
You ever been to dancing?
So, we'll cook tocino and ampalaya this morning. So, where's the tocino that I moved? Baby, you put back my tocino.
I don't know, where did you put the
I'm sure I put down the other one. Ito pala siya, guys. And we do cute palia this morning. We will try, Daniel, to taste what palia is and put some eggs in it. Okay. Alright. Rock and roll to the world. So, let's start cooking na, guys.
Yay.
Because someone is very, very busy.
No, I was just hungry.
Always.
Always. Always. Feed me.
And for today, guys, we'll continue our K1, filling up the I-129F form. So, Daniel will do that. Okay, prepare tayo. Okay, guys, our ampalaya is cooking. And then rice also is cooking right now. So, after ampalaya, we're going to cook the tocino. So, lagyan na lang natin ng egg. Okay. Hey! Oh my goodness, Han! You kill me! I'm so happy. You know, other people there not even volunteer to take the video. It's so hard to do vlog. I just realized. And
Yes, and I just
into my
give
bag.
you a heart attack while you're trying to cook.
Love you, baby.
Love you, honey.
You look like ampalaya. You're very green. Ouch! I hate you coming. I hate you coming on my back. This is abnormal person, guys. We are the same though. I tickle you very much. Daniel Baki. We try, huh? I think. So next will be Tocino. Ready.
Are you sure it's ready?
You're there again. How many months, Daddy Bear?
42 years.
Oh, you're 44. You think you're 42.
2 years I wasn't fat.
Ah, La loves, you cook, babe. You cook the Tocino. Always cooking.
Your job, cook. My job, sleep and eat.
Oh, wow, Sarah all.
Tocino, she's cooking.
No, I'm not.
I'm going to stand right here in the way so she can't.
They're very small. We have a small kitchen, so one person at a time only. So we put water first in our Tocino. I should choose spicy Tocino, man. Rice cooked already because someone likes rice now. So we'll wait for the Tocino while preparing for the Tocino to cook. I'm going to prepare his coffee because he doesn't know how. Char, sana all. Excuse me. Thanks, honey. It's so ugly. Check. Sorry. Check yung Tocino. All cooked, Tocino and ampalaya, and coffee and rice together. So let's eat, guys, because I'm so hungry and sleepy. I'll go back to sleep. You wanna go back to sleep, hon?
Yes, probably after I take nap.
You pray, lalaps, babe. You pray.
Para ko na pray.
Lord, thank you for waking up this morning. Thank you for the gift of life, love, and family. Thank you also for the food that you prepared for us this breakfast. In Jesus' name, amen. Sana all. Yay! We tried the ampalaya. I did some of my Tocino because
Other people will only eat the Tocino.
not leaving Tocino. But I think I'll do it with my hands. What do you think? Try to taste it first. Yummy?
Okay.
Alright.
favorite, but it's okay.
Stomach still work.
I will still eat.
Let's use our hands, guys, kasi yung plato move na move. Sliding. So hot. Who's the Filipino?
You're the Filipino.
Only one. Who's calling that?
Papa,
Answer.
why did they do it here and not?
I don't know. It should be here in table 13. We're done.
I is done. Not done with my coffee yet, though.
Babe, are you sure?
No.
Massage while eating. Sit down.
Only you. Maybe it's just too much of that green.
That is not too much. I think too much egg. Should be too much green.
I think too much green. Need more egg.
That's fine then. Thank you. Accompany mo yan. Hindi ka pa, don't worry.